Infinite entertainment.
Evil thoughts on your mind, don't you dare to leave them behind. Keep them at your side all of the fucking time. Voices in your head calling for your death. Voices in your head calling you a wreck. Don't chase them away, no, don't chase them away. Demons right by your side, way better than back behind. You know what they say, you know what they say. Keep your friends close and keep your enemies even closer. Keep your enemies closer. Part of you, they are part of me. In our heads they feel good, in our heads they like to be. So don't bury them down 7 feet. They will get out anyways, except your enemies. Don't let them ruin all your days. Tell them what you think. I might be near death, I might look like a wreck, but at least I'm more than a stupid voice in someone's head. In someone's head. Demons right by your side, way better than back behind. You know what they say, you know what they say. Keep your friends close, but keep your enemies even closer. Keep your enemies closer.